Hey guys, with recent rumors surrounding iOS 14 and an all-new digital WWDC set for June 22nd, we'd like to show you a few cool tricks that you can do with your iPhone screen today. Note that these features are typically more practical for those who are colorblind or otherwise visually impaired. Nonetheless, this trick may help you find a sleek new color profile theme for your device. To begin, go to the Accessibility menu in the Settings app, followed by selecting the Display and Text Size option. Smart Invert changes some of the on-screen elements, giving your device a semi-dark mode feel. Classic Invert changes all of the on-screen elements, providing a unique neon feel. As you can see here, the differences are quite stark. Along with these options, color filters may help you more easily distinguish on-screen elements if you're visually impaired. You can even use this feature to give Siri a dark new look. As seen here, the color tint option is enabled, allowing you to set your iPhone screen to whatever color you want on the RGB spectrum. It can be changed using the hue bar down below. Intensity allows you to change the saturation and vibrancy of the color tint. Grayscale gives your screen a classic e-paper look with a black and white color scheme. For those who may be colorblind, color filters will allow you to adjust on-screen hues to your liking. You can even swipe across the top of the menu to view a preview of how the colors will be displayed on your screen, allowing you to find the perfect color setting. In customizing your iPhone screen, you can adjust these settings however you'd like: red, green, or even blue. You decide. That's all for the Lockdown Lowdown this week. Take care and stay safe.